Hi diva lovers, and welcome back to the Queen of the Craft Room. My name is Kay Young, as you know, Young Forever. In today's video, I'll be doing a recycle spring 2020 to spring Goodwill vase. That took a time to come out, right? But before we get into our DIY, you know I love to leave you a little motivation. Okay? So, if you realize how powerful your thoughts are, your well will never be a negative thought. Yeah, I totally agree. Your mind is a very powerful thing. Whatever you think positive, positive comes out. If you think negative, negative comes out. Okay? Alright. With all of that said, let's start our DIY. Now I got this beautiful vase from Goodwill, which I'm gonna recycle. It was original no, it was $12.99. It was $12.99. I get it off price, huh? I'm gonna use some flowers. These I got from Dollar General, and they're only $1, guys. And look at them, they're so beautiful. I think they call them tulips, if I'm not sure. I can't see the name on it. We're gonna use this. Probably some more from Dollar Tree, I'm not sure. I'm gonna do an experiment as well. I'm seeing they using these clear glue to pour in the container, and then it like is a resin like, so the flowers stick at the bottom and it look like, anyway, you know where I'm getting at. I have some stones here, I believe, I'm not sure, to decorate around each side. You know, I have to put like a bling bling in it. Okay? Alright? Now this is where the experiment come in. In the glue, I'm gonna put some glitter down the bottom. I don't know if it's gonna be too much with, but I'm going for a silver look because to go with my living room theme. Okay, so I have some silver here. I have this gold silver. I don't really use silver. Then you can get the smaller ones from the Dollar Tree as well. Okay. Now first we're gonna clean the glass. So we're gonna clean and clean and clean and clean and clean and clean. You know me. I'm not gonna sit here and let you watch all of me gluing all them stones and this, because this is time consuming. Okay, so I'm gonna clean inside as well. Okay guys, so I changed from these. This is gonna take too long. I don't got no time for that. Okay, so I'm gonna use these gem sheets. I got them from Dollar General. They're only $1. And look what I found. I found some gem design stickers from the Dollar Tree. So what I'm gonna do is put them each on the glass. I don't know if it's gonna be too fussy, but let's see. And then the gems I'm gonna put around the permit stamp go along. So I'm gonna do that. As I said, this is time consuming. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna watch a little movie, and I'll be back. Okay. Okay, so this is what my vase look like. Okay. hmm Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is to pour the glue into the glass. I think I need some more glue though. Yeah, I need some more glue. I'm wondering if the almond glue can work as well. Let's see. I'm experimenting here, okay? As we said. Okay, guys, so I used the Elmer's glue and tacky glue, but I believe I'm still short of glue. Oh my god, and it's leaking. Oh my days. God, guys, we have a situation. We have a situation. It is leaking my glue. Oh my lord. It's leaking. Oh no, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. It's leaking. I gotta change it. Okay, so the last time we left, I poured the Elmer glue in here and it was leaking, so I had to take out everything. I was so disappointed, not devastated, disappointed. As you know, guys, I was doing an experiment, so I had to take out back all the glue and put it in a different container, but we will get to that. So what I have here is some gems that I pick up from Walmart. Every time I see them, I pick them up. They're 98 cents. They're probably gone up now. So I'm going to put it in the bottom here as a filter. I don't want to put too much. Because it's glass on the bottom and I don't want it to break. Okay, so I fill it up with the gem. I mean, this is real heavy. The vase was already heavy, but now this is real heavy. It's not the color I wanted. I wanted gold. So this gonna be in there for the time being. Now I'm gonna put my tulips, which I got from Dollar General for $1. Yes, ma'am. I get them for $1. So this is it. I got me some nice, isn't this some nice spring color? Most of them come from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. So this is what it looked like. Okay, we're gonna put these aside. I still wanted to experiment on the elements glue in a glass. So I know I promised one DIY, but because the first one spoiled, I'm gonna show you the second one. And you know me love work at a time. So this is the second one. You can see it? So what I did is just pour the elements glue in the bottom. I wanted to give it some glitter too. I didn't want it plain. So I put some silver glitter, because that's what I wanted. Was the first one, put the Elmer's glue, and then put the gold glitter in it. So I put some glitter, and then I'm gonna put some more tulips in there. Ooh, it's too short. It's too short. So I probably need some. Let me get some more gems. Alright, so I get some gems. You see, when I put the flowers in it, it's too low. See? So I'm gonna put some gem in it and see if it will. I don't know. Experimenting here, guys. My first time doing, yes. Okay, so when I put the gem in it, it gives it a little eye. Oh Lord, it's gonna be a lot of gem. Okay, Diva lovers, so this is the first vase. I don't know if it's too crowded or not. Let me know. Leave me a comment below. And this is the second vase. No, I didn't tell you the second vase is the same thing as the first vase. As you can see, I put the diamond stickers around it. See? So here you have two lovely spring DIY. Now you don't have to go out and get expensive vase. You can pick up some at the Dollar Tree as well for $1.25, but you won't get these design. So if you stop at your thrift store, you will get them. And I always go to my thrift store on a Wednesday, FYI, where there is 50% off everything in the store. So I want to thank you guys for stopping by. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, so each time I upload, you will be the first to know. Until I see you in my next DIY, ciao!